Afternoon. Today we're about to head to East Atlanta on Moreland. There's a new little adult food court like the ones they've been issuing out all throughout the country. So we about to go check it out. I'm not really that hungry, so I'm just gonna kind of get the views and things like that. Maybe get like a little appetizer. But you know, when in Atlanta, gotta do Atlanta things. So about to head there real quick. About to show you how it is. And I'm here with Milan. I was a late ad, you know. She had her lunch already planned, so I'm just gonna go fade in the background. But see y'all when we get there. Made it to the spot. I got something like there's a little Jamaican spot in here, so I got a beef patty. There's an Indian spot, so I got a mango lassi. Milan's getting some baked potato over there. You tried the beef patty? How was it? It was good? You liked it? But the food's good. The ambiance is really good. It's not too crowded. There's a couple of them in Atlanta. There's like 3. Ponce City Market. There's another one. That's good too, but I think this one has a good variety of options and good food, so definitely come check it out. Just got to little 5 Points, about to go develop some pictures that I took in Miami like a month ago, and then I came back to Atlanta and took. So I'm gonna show you the pictures that I developed as well. I'm about to go to this cool ass film lab. It's called Bellows, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like in there, and then go get these pictures developed. On this, going to the film store with Milan's fine ass. What are the details at?
We got the earring,
my side bag,
the bracelet,
1.5,
we got the chain,
2.5, 3.5,
got the tattoos,
4.5,
got the skin color,
priceless, priceless, priceless.